Today we have the line. It's kind of the 4mm CU channel. It's again used for solar system. And in this line, actually, we have just improved the punching die design. And right now, we just have the running the line with the coil sheet. It's about 3mm, I guess. The testing material is 2mm, and the C channel width is about 100 meters. Oh. We make a different punch on the Purlin. Check the straightness. Previously, we have just updated the video. That is our first version of the CU channel. And this one, I would like to call it like a version 2. The most important thing is about we upgraded the program, as well as we upgraded the punching die design. The forming machine, we just keep the same. But regularly, if we find something in defection, we will modify in the next machine. And the aim or the target for the next lines, the completed line, we have to run in about 20 meters or 30 meters. This is our aim. And somehow the machine is under developing. And in customer workshop here in this area, it requires a pit, or we call it like a looper. And right now, let's check the punch. In this line, we have combined the 6 units of the punching die, and this is the latest design. There is 6 units of the punching die, and each die have different function. The first 4 units will be used on the button, or we call it like a web punch. And the number 5 and the number 6 will be used for flash punch. Okay, right now in the first stage, it should be the hydraulic punch, hydraulic decoller. Somehow it's not ready in this moment, so we just use this uncoiler. The most important about the punch, because the coil thickness is up to 4mm, it really requires rigid and high performance of the punch. And what we know is that for solar channel, there will be a lot of holes for post, beam, and the connectors. And on each punch die, we have this kind of instructions. And then even for different projects, the main purpose is about we can change the dies very flexible. And once we design the punching die, we just enlarge the capacity for future demand. And this is the pre-sharing. This pre-sharing is just to help to cut off the coils while we shifted to different projects.